In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up bank feeds in Xero. You should already be logged into Xero, so begin by checking that the correct organization is selected before you make any changes. If you work in more than one organization, this matters because bank feeds need to be connected in the right file from the start. Once that is confirmed, go to the top navigation menu and click Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This opens the Bank Accounts page where you can view any accounts that are already in Xero and start adding a new connection. On this page, click Add Bank Account. Xero will then prompt you to search for your bank or financial institution. Enter the bank name in the search field and choose the correct result from the list that appears. Make sure you select the exact institution you want to connect, since some banks may have multiple options depending on account type or connection method. After selecting the bank, enter the requested bank account details and follow the on-screen instructions to begin linking the bank to Xero. The information requested will depend on the institution you selected, so just continue through the fields shown on screen. If your bank requires authentication, sign in using your online banking credentials when prompted. Complete any verification steps required by the bank so Xero can establish the connection. If the page takes a moment to load during this process, wait for it to finish before moving to the next screen. Once the connection is authorized, Xero will show the bank account or accounts available to link. Select the account or accounts that you want to connect to Xero. Pay attention here if several accounts appear, and choose only the ones you want imported into this organization. Next, match each selected bank account with the appropriate Xero account. If the account already exists in Xero, choose that matching account from the available options. If it does not exist yet, create a new bank account in Xero when prompted so the feed has the correct destination. After that, review the connection details shown on screen. This is the point where you confirm the setup and activate the bank feed. Check that the selected bank, account choices, and Xero account matches are correct before you confirm. When the setup is complete, return to Accounting, then Bank Accounts. On the Bank Accounts page, confirm that the connected bank account now appears in the list. You should also be able to verify that it is ready to receive imported bank transactions through the feed connection. Thanks for watching. Your bank feed is now connected in Xero, and the selected bank account is ready to receive imported transactions.